Hey folks, want to do a quick review on this Schluter Ditra-Heat underlayment. And we've been putting this down in this bathroom remodel. And when you get the material, I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is what it looks like once we've got it down. And this is what it looks like before you put it down. But this comes in this shin thin sheet. And basically you just do your layouts, and then you can cut it with a razor knife. This is what it looks like on the back side here, and just has this almost like a fabric back on it, and then has the nubs on the front. And then this is what the heating element's going to run through. So you just put it down with the normal Schluter all-set mortar, trowel it on, and then put your sheets in place. Once you do your cutouts around your plumbing, this is the toilet drain and the toilet supply back there, and then just lay it out for your walls and everything. I think Schluter recommends don't get the heating element closer than like 6 inches to the like the water supply. You can read the directions, but it's super easy to work with and very easy to handle. So it is a little pricey, but you're going to make up for that on the ease of the labor putting this stuff down. And so once you put that down, it's basically this is the heating element. But you can see once you put your mortar bed down, you're going to lay that lay the panels down on top of that, and run your heating element on top of that, another layer of thin set, and then your tile on top of that, and it's easy peasy. So anyway, very easy to use, and we love this stuff. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps.